Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy channel. Today I bring you a new video in which I want to show you how to replace the screen of a computer Hewlett Packard all-in-one version. So as you can see here, the screen received a direct impact, which of course it knocked it out. So the idea of this video is also to show you the entire process from how I found the spare parts that I need, etc. But let's start with the reference. At the bottom, you will find the information related to the computer, but it's the last line here that tells us the model. But it's not the only data that I need. In fact, I had to extract the screen to find the display reference. And with this info, I went to Amazon website and start my search. Here you can see that the day I start recording this video was the day in which it arrived. It cost me $169, which of course is much cheaper than having to buy this computer again. The reference that I used to start the search on Amazon was for this model is it's MV215FHM. So I started checking other relevant information about the screen, but everything seems to be indicated. So, however, I asked the seller about the compatibility with the model of my computer, and also sent him a picture of the sticker that I found in the screen, which are this one here. And when the seller confirmed the compatibility, I decided to make the payment and just wait for the package to arrive, which, considering my location, took almost 7 days to arrive. And here is in its original package. So I want to also make the unboxing with you to discover the condition and also the precaution that they take when packing this kind of element. So with that being said, let's start with the process, and I'll see you at the end of the video. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you in case you need to make a similar repair. Don't forget to leave your comments. I'll try to read them all. Thanks again.